Good morning, student. As in the maths class, today I will send two videos as part 1 and part 2. So, self practice now, self practice 6B. Self practice 6B as on the based on standard form and expanded form of the decimals. I have already explained that expanded form, but you can see it is very easy. If you want to represent any fractions in the standard form, suppose to this is 0.7. 0.7 means you can write 7 by 10. Suppose to you have 0.23. 0.23 means 0.2. 0.2 means 2 by 10, and this is 3 hundredths place. It means plus 3 by hundredths. Also you can represent 2 by 10 means 0.2 and 3 by 100 means also you can represent 0.03. It means if I adding 0.2 and 0.03, it will come 0.23. In this way you can do the questions what is given as self practice 6B. In self practice 6B what is given you can do. So in this way you can represent 0.23 means 2 by 10 and 3 as 3 by 100. Also you can write 2 by 10 means 0.2 and 3 by 100 means 0.03. In this way you can represent the any problems. After that, self practice 6B, first question you can see. 6B, first question. Write in standard form. As to write in the standard form, you represent in the decimal like that. First A. It is given say 6 tenths. It is given 6 tenths. 6 tenths means 6 by 10. 6 tenths means 6 by 10. It means 0.6. It means 0.6. You can write 6 by 10 as 0.6. Like that. Next question B. 23 and 8 tenths. 23 and 8 tenths. It means 23 is whole number. 23 and 8 tenths. It means 23 plus 8 by 10. It means 23 and 8 by 10. It means 23.8. 23.8. You can write 23.8. This is the standard form. Also you can write 23 like that. 23 plus 0.8. Also you can write 23 plus 0.8 means 23.8. Also you can represent like that. Next 8 hundredths. See 8 hundredths. It is given 8 hundredths. 8 hundredths means 8 by 100. You can change in the decimal. Here 20. So you need after decimal 2 digit. So 0.0 and 8. You can write 8 by 100 means 0.08. After point you can see 2 digit 0 and 8. So in this way you can do question number first A to H you can do. H also you can see 598 10 thousandths. 598 10 thousandths. So it is very easy. H you can see 598 10 thousandths. 10 thousandths. 598 10 thousandths. It means 598 by 10,000. It means 598 by 10,000. It means here 40, but here in the numerator only 3 digit. So you can cover as 1 digit by 0 before using 0. So 0 598. 598. So after decimal 4 digit here because numerator has 40. After 1 it has 40. So after decimal also 4 digit should be. So here 3 digit. So you can cover this before 1 digit as using 0. So 0.0598. In this way you can write. And next question, question number 2. You see question number 2. Question number 2a. 1 by 10 and 9 by 100. Very easy. 1 by 10 plus 9 by 100. It means 1 by 10 you can write 0.1 plus 9 by 100 you can write 0.09. 0.09. After that you can add. How? You can take a rough one if you want to. 0.1 and 0.09. 0 and 9. Before above the 9 there is no number, also you can write 0. 0.1 or 0.10 same thing. If you want to, you can here fill the blanks as by 0. There is no matter, so you can write 9 here and here 1. It means point here and 0. 0.19. So 0.19. Also you can write like that. So if you want to, you can remove 0 also, no matter. As 9 you can write and 1 you can add. So you can add this 9 here and 1 here and point and 0 here. So 0.19. So you read, don't read 0.19. Don't read 0.19. You read 0.19. After decimal, always you count with each digit. Always you count with each digit. Like that, 0.19. So don't tell 0.19. No. You tell 0.19. After that, you can do B also, C also, D also. So you can see, you can do question of B yourself. C. You can see question number C. Second C. Second CUD. Second C. You can see 40 plus 8. 40 plus 8 plus 6 by 10 plus 3 by 100. So see, 40 plus 8 means 48 plus 6 by 10 means 0.6 and plus 3 by 100 means 3 by 100 you can write 0.03. After that you can add together. I 48.6. So see, this is 48. How many digits after that decimal? More. This is 0.26. This is 0.03. After 0.2 digit. So after 48 you can write 2 digits like that. 48.00 because here 0.03. After that 0.6. So you can add 0.6, 0.03, 0.0 and 3. After that you can add 3 here and 6. And point you can use and 8 and 4. 48.63. It means 48.63. You can take the sum. After that you can complete the questions. Question number H you can see 2H. It is also very easy. 2H 9 plus 0.3. 9 plus 0.3 plus 0.07 plus 0.07 plus 0.009 plus 0.009. So you can see 9. So you can see 9 is the whole number. 9 is the whole number. But after decimal, how many numbers are greatest? After decimal, 1, 2, 3 digit here. Here 2 digit only, here 1 digit. So after decimal 3 digit here. So you can take the whole number 9. After 9 you can use 30. And you can put decimal 9.000. 9 or 9.000 same thing. Value is same. So 9.000 means 9. But for adding and arrangement, for the addition, we can write like this. After that 0.3, you write 0.3. After that 0.07, you write 0.0 and 7. After that 0.009, 0.00 and here 9. And you can take plus. Here also you can represent as 0.3, 0.07, 0.009. It is not compulsory, but you can write. You can fill the gaps with 0 if you want to, no matter. So 9 here, 7 here, 3.9. 9.379. 9.379. You can write, you can add together 9.3, 7 and 9. You can see here also you can add tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So tens place 0.3, hundreds place 0.07, thousands place 0.009. 0.009. In this way also you can add directly, and like that also you can add together. So you can add directly or you can add together like that. You are free. After that you can do all questions of question number 3, question number 2. See, write in expanded form. So question number 3, I have also told you how you can write in the expanded form. Expanded form. Point 3, A. Point 3. Point 3 means how you can expand this? Only one digit there. So it means 0.3. So 0.3 means 3 by 100. 3 by 10. 0.3 means 3 by 10. Because only this is 3 tenths. So you can write 3 by 10 only. Because there is no any whole number. Also you can represent 0 plus 3 by 10 also. You can write like this also. 4.7 will be 4.7. So 4 is whole number. You can write 4 and plus 0.7 means 7 by 10. Because 7 tenths is there. So 0.7 means 7 tenths. So 4 plus 7 tenths. It means also you can write 4.7 tenths means 7. 4.7 same thing. So only you can expand this like that, 4 plus 7 by 10. In this way you can complete all the questions. You can see question number H. Question number H, 3H as 947.068. It means 947. It means 900 plus 40 plus 7 plus 0 by 10. 0 tenths means 0 by 10 plus 6 hundredths means 6 by 100 plus 8 thousandths means 8 by 1000. So like that you can expand 947.068. It means 900 plus 40 plus 7, 947. This 0 tenths means 0 by 10 plus 6 hundredths, 6 by 100 plus 8 thousandths, 8 by 1000. In this way you can do all questions. So today you complete self practice 6B, and I will explain self practice 6C also today only as video number part 2, means part 2 sections. So for this one 6B, so you can solve. Thank you.